Hello friends, this is Rajiv and welcome to Zero to Infinite. Student, in this video we are going to discuss some questions that based on multiplication of algebraic expression. In last two videos we have discussed the basic concept about the algebra. In your previous class, you have also studied about the algebra. So I hope you don't have any confusion about some basic knowledge of the algebra. So in this session, we have to solve some question which based on multiplication of algebraic expression. After the discussion of the multiplication of algebraic expression, we shall start the new topic that will be on the basis of division of algebraic expression. And I hope that not only you would understand, also you would like the video. So student, let us start our today's video. So the first question is given that multiply 2x plus 5 multiply 2x plus 5 by 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2. In the last video, as I told you that you are free to solve this question in any method as you prefer, and also I show you three methods to solve the multiplication. So let us see once more what are the three methods, and let's try to solve the question by those three methods. So the first method is we have to start the multiplication from right hand side as we have discussed in our earlier age. So we write here 2x plus 5 is multiplied by 3x plus 2. So let's see, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, and we have with x. Similarly, since here we started the multiplication from right hand side, that is why we need to leave the place from right side. So we start from here, 3 5s are 15, x and plus 3 2s are 6 with x square. Since wherever x is multiplied with x, it gives us x square, as we have discussed in various chapters in our previous classes. So we need not to explain this. Now the next process is to be add them. So wherever we add, we get 10 plus 15 plus 4, we get 19x and plus 6x square. So this is the first method in which we start the multiplication from right hand side of the algebraic expression. In the next, we shall solve this question starting from left hand side. So the second method, we write 2x plus 5 and this is multiplied by 3x plus 2, and we start from left hand side. So we get 3 2s are 6x square plus 3 5s are 15x and plus, since here we started from left hand side, so we leave one place here, and now start from here, 2 2s are 4x and plus 2 5s are 10, and now we get here 6x square plus 19x and plus 10. So these methods are the time taking method. So we need not to solve the question in the examination like that. we shall solve these questions by the linear method, and here I am going to show you how to solve the multiplication of algebraic expression using the linear method. So the third method is given here. We multiply 2x plus 5 is multiplied by 3x plus 2, and now we get here 2 3 are 6x square. Here we multiply 2x with 3x, 2 2 are 4x. Is that clear? In the next we get 3 5 3 are 15x and 5 2s are 10. Now when we add the like terms, so that here the like terms are 4x and 15x. So they add together and give us 19x. We get 6x plus 19x and plus 10. So 6x square plus 19x plus 10 is the right answer. So I hope this three method is clear to everyone. Now let's see the next question. The next question is given that multiply 6x to the power 5 y minus 7 x to the power 4 y cube plus 3x y cube square minus 8y by 2x minus 7. This is the given question. The question is given that multiply 6x to the power 5 y minus 7 x to the power 4 y square plus 3x y cube minus 8y by 2x minus 7. So let's see the solution by the column method as well as linear method. So first of all, we shall solve this question using the column method. So first write the polynomial here 6x to the power 5 y minus 7 x to the power 4 y square plus 3x y cube minus 8y, and this is multiplied by 2x minus 7. Okay students, so let's see 2x into 6x to the power 5y. So we get 2 6 are 12. When x multiplied with x to the power 5, it gives us x to the power 6 into y. Since here in this term does not contain y, therefore the index of y will never change. Similarly, minus, since there is minus, so we shall also write here minus, and 2 7 are 14. When x multiplied by x to the power 4, it gives us x to the power 5, and y square is remain unchanged. Why? Again we can see that this term does not possess any y. That is why the power of y will remain unchanged. And in the next, plus 2 3 are 6 x into x square y cube and minus 2 8 are 16 x y. So this is the multiples of 2x only. Since the multiplication is started from left hand side, therefore we leave this place, and now here we have minus 7. So first of all we multiply the sign and decide which sign will come before the terms. So you can see that 7 causes negative sign, that is why 7 is minus 7, and it has no any sign, that is why it is positive. So we write here plus minus minus, and 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42, and this term has no any variable, therefore the power of the variable of polynomial will not change. So here we write x to the power 5 y minus and minus plus 7 7 are 49, and x to the power 4 y square. Again minus and plus, minus 7 3 are 21 x y cube, and minus plus 8 7 are 56 and y. So our multiplication is completed. Now we have to add. One most important thing I would like to tell you, whenever you will add such type of problem, then you must be think at a moment which term have the same kind of variable. That means only like term will add together and unlike term will be written as it is in the addition. So here we can see that this variable causes x to the power 6 and y. So you have to find such type of variable in the bottom line. But in the bottom line we shall not get such like terms. That is why this term will be written as it is without any changes. So we write here 12x to the power 6 y. Is that clear? Now in the next term we have 14x to the power 5 y square. Now let's check here, we have any such like. So we can see that here x to the power 5 y square, and it has x to the power 5 with y only, therefore they are not like terms. So we write minus 14 x to the power 5 y square. So we have written this and this term. Also we can write this term without any change, because there is no any like term which have x to the power 5 and y with its variable. So we have minus 42 x to the power 5 and y. The next x square y cube, and in the bottom line there is no any such variables. So we write 6 plus x square y cube. We have written this one, and plus 49 x square y square, x to the power 4, sorry, and at last xy, and there is no any xy, so we write minus 16xy. Okay, and this one is clear, and now this one is also clear. So we write this one as it is minus 21 x y cube and plus 56 y. So this is the solution of the given problem. So since the solution looks like so large, but whenever you see the steps of solution, you will find that there is no any like term in these two terms. So whenever it has no any like term in over R, therefore we need not to add them. We have to write them as it is in one line. So student, I hope the solution is clear to everyone. Now let's see some question that based on degree of the degree of the polynomial through which you have to revise such question. So let's start the next. The question is, find the degree of the polynomial p to the power 6q minus p to the power 5 q square plus 8x y to the power 4, p and q minus 6 p to the power 4 q to the power 3 and plus p q. So this is the question and we have to find the degree of polynomial Find the degree of the polynomial this. So let's see how we shall find out the polynomial degree. Since we have discussed the definition of degree is highest power of the variables, highest power of the variables of the polynomial, highest power of the variable of the polynomial is called its degree. So now let's check which term have the highest power. Since the variable p has 6 and it has 1, so the complete power of this term is 7. Here we get 5 plus 2 is again 7, and this one we get 1 plus 4 is 5, and here 4 plus 3 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2. These 7, 7, 5, 7, 2 are representing the power of the variable in each term. Now the matter is to find out the highest power of the variables. So here we can see there is no any power more than 7, but more than one term have the same power, so that the highest power, whatever they have in the polynomial, they have only one term or more than one term, no matter, they must be have highest power. So the highest power is 7, therefore the degree of the polynomial is 7. Therefore the degree of the polynomial is 7. So student, I hope everything is clear. If you like the video, then please share it. And if you are new on the channel, then don't forget to subscribe. So student, I would like to say two words that please do more and more questions from your book in your copies and try to understand each and every step by yourself. Before starting to solve the question from the exercise, first of all, see the complete video without skipping. So student, I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then mention in the comment. I will clear in the next video. So we shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.